Sorry, y'all, my kitchen does not have the best lighting. Tonight, I am trying a new recipe. I am going to make this Smithfield pork loin. It's apple smoked bacon. I am going to roast it in the oven with some sweet potatoes that I found at Walmart. I'm going to use these spices, some chili, some garlic. All these are from McCormick. Some cinnamon. Dark brown sugar. Yeah, I'm going to bake it in the oven for about half an hour. And then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, y'all, you take that brown sugar with the garlic powder, the chili powder, and the cinnamon. Mix it all together. Pour in some melted butter. And then we're going to coat sweet potatoes in it. And bake them for about 15 minutes or so. Just to get them a good little start. We're just going to coat these in it. And then we're going to cut up an onion and put in there too. Because who don't like onions? We love onions. This is the first time I've ever used these frozen sweet potatoes here. From Walmart. I've only had like canned potatoes before. And like I've had fresh sweet potatoes that I've turned into like French fries. I've ate things like this at restaurants, but I've never tried it myself. So we're going to see how this works. Okay? Now that I got this all mixed up, now I need to spread it in my pan and bake it a little bit on what? 375. Okay, so I got that all spread out in my pan. I have terrible lighting in this kitchen, y'all, and I didn't bother to set up ring lights and all that because my kitchen is tiny. My kitchen is like a 10 by 10. Seriously. No joke. So, and this is my tiny counter space. Just that right there. That's all the counter space I have in this kitchen. Okay, y'all. This has bacon, like, on it. So, y'all think I should put some of my mixture on it with my spices and my brown sugar? Or just leave it like it is? Y'all know me. I can't leave it like it is. I'm going to put that mixture on there. This is Applewood Smoked Bacon Smithfield Pork Loin. This is not sponsored in any way. It's just something new and I want to share it. Look at all that bacon. Oh my goodness. Okay, y'all. The sweet potatoes and onions are roasted for about 20 minutes. I just put this tenderloin in. Look at it. It's like covered in bacon. Some of the bacon fell off, so I just sprinkled around over there. But I just scooted over the potatoes and carrots and just put that right between it. Now I'm going to bake it for about 25 to 30 more minutes. Then I will let y'all see what it looks like when it comes out. And here it is, fresh out the oven, y'all. I think I might want to put some kind of glaze or something on top of this, huh? Yeah, if I do this one again, I'm going to make some kind of glaze to put to the side so that when this is done, I can drizzle it over top of this. Yeah, that would be good. The stuff that I put on the sweet potatoes, just make a little extra and drizzle on it when I'm done. That would be amazing. Yes. Let's plate it. Okay, y'all, I just cut this open. It ain't even done at all. Look at that. Yeah, so, don't pay attention to what the directions say. Cook a lot more. It's going back in. I'm going to wrap it in foil and put it back in. This is what it turned out to be after cooking it for another 30 minutes on 350. Y'all check out the description for the recipe that inspired this.